Explore, canoe, John Heinz. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Again, my name is Ramsey. Today I'll take you on another adventure tour to John Heinz Wildlife Park. It's a refuge park for all kinds of natural wildlife animals that still live and exist here. It's amazing how this park can be still untouched by humans. A lot of people come here for fun, enjoyment, sports, fishing, all kinds of fun stuff to do. Come with me to explore. Let's see if we can find some beautiful animals to look at or just nature. Let's go! Welcome to John Heinz National Wildlife Refuge. Where are the fish? Maybe we can jump 20 feet high, not too bad. I can do it. Summertime. us. March 9th, 2020. Beautiful spring-like weather. Not too many days left for spring. We can't wait, but we're already enjoying. Hope you guys are also enjoying this lovely tour. See the bridge. Many birds exist here also. The eagle, the hawk, another hawk, turkey, and a kestrel. Most the biggest. But my favorite is the kingfisher. Belted kingfisher. Looks nice. That was a snake. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that was a small snake. Wild. Quite an adventure. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Again, this is John Heinz Refuge Park, Wildlife Refuge Park at Tinicum. That was one of adventures right before spring started, so I'll take you back here again once it's officially spring. We'll hope we can see more wildlife later. The snake was a good one. Take care, guys. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next vlog. Thanks.